Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to extract elevation, DEM and contour lines from Google Earth with the help of ArcGIS software. So let's begin. Go to Google EarthPro, zoom into your area of interest, or you can simply write the name of your area in the search bar. Go to add path. Just simply add points. Okay. Save this place as KML. Go to Google Chrome. In the search bar, type GPS visualizer. Go to this website. Click look up elevations. Upload your GPX KML file. Convert and add elevation. Output GPX file. Download GPX file. Go to ArcMap. Data management. Conversion tool from GPS to GPX to feature. GPX file. Open. Output. Elevation point dot shp. Save. Okay. Go to spatial analyst tool. Interpolation. IDW. Input elevation point. Z value. Elevation. Okay. There you find a DEM. Now go to surface in spatial analyst tool. Contour. Input DEM. Contour interval 10 and name it contour line dot shp. Save. Okay. You can find the contour lines. Go to properties of contour line, label, contour, apply. Okay. You can also To cross-check this data, I have a DM from SRTM. I am adding that also. Just simply click on this identify tool. Here, SRTM values are 464. DM from Google Earth, it is 461. And this contour line is 460. You can also check another point. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel Supreme GIS. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment box below. Thank you.